Okay guys, this is a review of the Efoods Direct, the free sample, and I'm actually going to make the creamy potato soup. Like I said, I've never tried this food before. I did make Mountain House in another video, so if you want to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, there is one on Mountain House, and I talk about how I like it there. And in fairness, I'm going to try Efoods, and then I'll compare the two. So to make Efoods, this is the creamy potato soup. In interest of time, I'm making this as opposed to the other samples that it comes with. It comes with tortilla soup, which takes a little bit longer to make, and cheesy chicken and rice casserole, which I actually think I'd probably like better than the potato soup. But this takes 5 cups of water to boil, and then you need to mix this in and wait 20 to 25 minutes. I actually don't have 20 to 25 minutes tonight to wait around for this, so that's why I'm not going to make this right now for the video, but I will make it at some point and I will do a review on it. So for the creamy potato soup, the directions to make are, I don't know if you can see this here, that's a little out of focus. Bring 4.5 cups of water to a rolling boil, whisk in contents of this pouch and stir well. Reduce heat and cook on a gentle boil for 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. For thicker soup, cook uncovered. Remove heat. Let stand for 5 minutes prior to serving. Salt and pepper to taste, and enjoy. Now this says the serving size is 1 cup, so I'm going to assume that 1 cup is what you put with 4.5 cups of water. I don't think it's the entire package. It's not actually that clear. I do have a measuring cup though, so I'm not actually sure. I think this whole entire package is 1 cup. But we'll see. Right here on the stove, I have a pot, 4.5 cups of water, which is starting to get hot. Once it starts to boil, I'll come right back with the camera. I'm going to dump this package in, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, thank you. Okay guys, I'm back here at the review of Efoods Direct Creamy Potato Soup. I did a little more research on the serving size. Actually, I guess I misread it. If you do read this, it says serving size is 1 cup prepared, so that's not the dry mix. That's actually once this is actually made. So the directions say to stir the contents of this pouch, so I guess you do have to make the 4 servings at once, unless you want to, somehow measure them out. Then you have to change the amount of water that you're going to put in here. So we're going to pan over here to the stove, where I do have the recommended, 4.5 cups of water. It's at a boil now. So it says take the contents of this pouch and mix it in, stir well, reduce heat, and cook at a gentle boil for 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just dump this in, and if you guys want to see what it looks like, it's a very powdery substance. It does have chunks of something, so I guess it is potatoes. It actually kind of looks like a cake mix almost, with stuff mixed in it. I'm going to go ahead and dump that in. And it looks okay. Let me just get a spoon here to mix this up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just lower the heat a little bit. I'm going to let this continue to boil for the recommended amount of time, and I'll come right back. Okay guys, we're back here with the Efoods Direct, and this is the potato soup. So what happened was I let it finish boiling for the 12 to 15 minutes. I took it off the heat, I let it sit for 5 minutes, and now it's here in the pot, and it is all complete. And to be honest, it actually looks pretty good. You can't really see the texture when I zoom in on it, but it did come out extremely well. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a spoon here to show you the consistency of it. It started to congeal a little bit, which is what you would expect in a soup. As you can see, there are chunks in it. It is potato. I'll actually do a little taste here. It doesn't taste bad. Actually, it does taste like potato. Now, the one thing is this serving, this pot size here would actually have to feed 4 servings as per the container. So, in reality, 1 person could eat all of this. And if you had to divide it up by 4, your serving size would be, a little bit small. But again, if this is a survival situation, I'm not sure that really matters. Just as a comparison, I did make the Mountain House food, and I did find that to be outstanding. But you know, these are two totally separate types of meal systems. The Mountain House, you literally just add water, boiling water. You wait about 9 minutes, 10 minutes, and you're done. With Efoods Direct, there's a little more cooking. You have to boil the water, you have to add the product, and then you have to let it simmer. In this case, 12 minutes, then cool for 5 minutes. The cheesy chicken and rice casserole, that takes about 20 to 25 minutes. I haven't made that yet, but I will. But again, all in all, this was pretty good. I would actually recommend having some of both, having some Mountain House, some Efoods Direct, or some other brand, so you do change it up and have some type of variety. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. This was the Efoods Direct, and I did find it to be tasty. I will make the casserole at some point, and I'll give that a try and do a review on it. If you have questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. And I do have some other videos that might be of interest to you. Thank you.